Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be making jerk chicken and festival. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please go ahead and do so. Also to turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when I post new video. Now let's cook. So guys, here I have my 3 leg and thigh quarters. Now I'll be seasoning that with my Maggi all-purpose season, and this is a complete season. You guys don't have to add any other season to it, though I always do, but you know, just so I don't take away the flavor from the jerk season, I try to limit the amount of season that I add to it. Guys, if you're watching this and you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please go ahead and do so. Also to turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when I post new videos. Now guys, here I'm going in with the Walker's Wood Jerk season, and this is in mild. I'll be using 1 tablespoon. You'll see where I go in with more jerk season, but for now 1 tablespoon will do. I'll also be using some jerk marinade, and this is the same Walker's Wood brand. So just go ahead and rub all that marinade in, just making sure that it is well seasoned. You guys can also go ahead and marinate your chicken overnight. Guys, I'm also going to be going in with 2 tablespoons of browning just to give it color. So okay, now guys, this is where things are gonna get a bit interesting because I will be adding sweet chili sauce to that jerk chicken, because guys, trust me, like adding this to it is just gonna kick it up a notch. Like, trust me, so good, super good. Now I will be baking this on a wire rack. I will be adding parchment under the bottom there. A girl forgot, so yeah. Now you want to top it with that sauce, and guys, look at that. Ooh, so good. It's just gonna give it this beautiful dark color. You know how jerk chicken is supposed to look, guys. Just beautiful. Okay, we want that look, we need that look. Okay guys, like just so good. Now guys, I baked my chicken for an hour and 15 minutes to an hour and 30 on a temperature at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. It also depends on the the type of oven that you guys have. Just ensure that the internal temperature of your chicken reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Now guys, that our chicken's in the oven, we're gonna be moving on to our festival. Now in the bowl I have 2 cups of flour, 1 cup fine cornmeal, 5 tablespoons of sugar, half tablespoon baking powder, half teaspoon salt, and we're gonna be combining all that dry ingredients. Guys, you can also add nutmeg if you guys want to. I didn't have nutmeg, so you know. So now that we've fully combined our dry ingredients, I'm gonna be adding water, and that water is mixed with vanilla. You guys can also add milk, you know, if you don't want to use water. Milk is fine. Now guys, quick note, try not to add all your liquid at once because your dough will get pretty sticky and you want to add more flour to that. Okay, so try not to add all your liquid at once. Guys, now that our dough has formed, let's roll it. Now before that, we're gonna be adding our oil so it can heat in time to fry our vegetable. So now guys, I'll be adding, this is about 3 cups of corn oil, and I'll be adding that to a sauce pot. So okay guys, before I roll the dough, I'm gonna be dusting that board with flour just so the dough doesn't stick to it while transferring it to that pot. So okay guys, you're gonna divide your dough into small pieces and roll them once at a time in the palm of your hand. I can't believe I didn't demonstrate it. But guys, you're just gonna roll it into an oval shape. That's practically it. Pretty simple, just like that. Just simple guys. Now guys, I'm gonna be adding the vegetable to that oil, and the oil is on medium heat. Now I'm gonna be frying those until they are golden brown on each sides. Now guys, that our vegetables are ready, I'm gonna be draining the excess oil on a paper towel. And here we have our jerk chicken, guys. So juicy, so good guys, so good. So guys, here we have the final product. I enjoy you guys so much. I thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button guys. Also, but please turn on your post notification so you can get notified when I post new videos, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.